Children love being measured, and we wanted to honor those childhood milestones with something more fun and lasting than pencil marks on a wall. Features inches and centimeters, and records height from 1.5 to 4.5. Includes 20+ stickers. Metal grommets for easy hanging and folding. Made from recycled paper printed with vegetable inks. CPSIA, ASTM, and CE certified. Extended chart measures 10.5 x 42. Track your little one's growth in inches or centimeters, using the included stickers to add extra handwritten notes. Once completed, the chart folds down for memory keeping. Petit Collage, where design meets play. I believe that if you want to encourage creativity, you have to begin with creativity. That's at the heart of everything we do at Petit Collage. From our design studio in San Francisco, we create modern, well-designed toys, playthings and gifts for children. Illustrated in-house by our talented team, we strive to make our products as beautiful as they are fun to use, gifts that are loved by both kids and their parents. Sustainable products. Our first product was a handcrafted collage using recycled materials. That product inspired not only our company name but our sustainability ethos. 10 years later, we still choose the materials we use carefully, from recycled cardboard, to FSC sustainably sourced wood and non-toxic water-based or soy inks. We avoid plastic. Our products are designed with the health of our children and the planet in mind. Top reviews from the United States. Very cute. So cute. My kiddo loves it, and loves adding the little fish to track her growth.